Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. Today we are going to learn about the tuple type, right? TypeScript tuple type is a data type that allows you to represent an array with a fixed number of elements. Make sure tuple has it's basically the normal array, but it's a fixed number of elements, okay? Where each element may have the different type, right? Unlike traditional arrays, TypeScript tuples allow you to define the type of each element in the array. So basically in the previous you can see that we have defined the strings to be array of strings, number all should contain the number, string or the number, right? So here if I go to define my tuple over here, that first should be a string and second should be a number, that means it's true. If it's not, first number is not string, it will show you the error. I will show you, okay? So here in the first row, if I put 1 2 3, you can see it gives me the error. What error? Type number is not assignable to the type string because the first parameter is string, right? So it show you the error. So that means it always have the fixed number of length. Whatever the type you are once defined, it should be in that format, okay? So tuples is that they have the fixed length. You cannot add or remove elements from the tuple once it's created, right? So here you can see that I have created a tuple that is string and the number. Currently here this is also okay, but if I go and add some new property over here like the boolean, what it happens? String number boolean is not assignable to a string number, right? Because here we have defined the two fixed length and here we are adding one more value to that variable, right? So what, because we have already defined the fixed length and we cannot add or remove elements from the tuple once it created, that is the rule, right? So here I'm just adding new one, so it show me the error, okay? The type is string number boolean is not assignable to the type string or the number because it's a boolean value, right? Okay, so what we have learned, summarize this one. So tuple is always have the fixed number of elements. You can define any of that one, whether it should be a number, string, boolean, it should be a fixed length. You cannot add or remove elements from the tuple once it created, otherwise it will throw you the error if you add or remove something, okay? So this is the summarize of the tuple. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.